How Japanese sounds to a non-Japanese speaker.
Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen.
天作も理解自母心小太郎めきて南筋ふこらいど熱ひらまこんすかて伝次郎とろかいびんすくまたり。今弱変たりのすけ未来と地図ばかしら。ひもたい乱発古典時脇原前回とろてどんかつきらめ殺人の利行。白と面楽古鉄連活きらめか。諸鉄自腹く本店森金かつての吉日バレ独占セラと門検事の美会。
Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.